With Now Home Entertainment Celebrities Daniel Padilla, pinasalamatan si Catherine sa contract signing. Di ko pwedeng kalimutan si Catherine. Monday, February 12, 2024 at 2:56 p.m. by Josh Medina. Daniel Padilla thanked Catherine Bernardo during his contract signing with ABS-CBN as the actor was wrapping up the event, where he was thanking everyone. He mentioned his ex-girlfriend. He said that he could not forget Catherine, and thereafter thanked her for the memories and their adventures. He also said that their beautiful memories will remain in his heart. Pay attention, stay informed and follow us on Google News. Daniel Padilla has already inked the deal with ABS-CBN, where he renewed his contract with the entertainment network. Photo, Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo. Source, Instagram. After the formalities, and when he was given the time to speak, he thanked a lot of people, friends, family, and the last one whom he mentioned was Catherine Bernardo. He said that he could not forget Catherine and thanked the premier actress for the years they had together, for their adventures, and also underscored that their beautiful memories will remain in his heart. Read also Daniel Padilla, trending sa SOCMED sa araw ng contract signing niya sa ABS-CBN. Syempre hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan si Catherine. Maraming salamat Catherine sa ating maraming taon na pinagsamahan. You know, hinding-hindi mawawala sa puso ko ang magaganda nating memories at ating mga adventures, journeys na pinagsamahan. Thank you very much. Like and share our Facebook posts to support the Kami team. Share your thoughts in the comments. We love reading them. Daniel John Ford Padilla, more popularly known to his fans and in the entertainment industry as Daniel Padilla or DJ, is a multi-awarded Pinoy actor, recording artist, model, and product endorser. He was born on April 26, 1995 to actor Romel Padilla and actress Carla Estrada. As an actor, DJ has received numerous awards in both television and film. His former girlfriend is superstar actress Catherine Bernardo. Recently, the actor went trending on social media before and during the live streaming of his contract signing ceremony with ABS-CBN. The contract signing ceremony, which was supposed to happen around 12:30 noon today, February 12, started almost an hour late. Read also Jillian Vicencia, nagsalita na sa pagkakadawit ng pangalan sa Katniel Split. Nagulat po ako. In the comment section of the Star Magic channel where the live stream happened, netizens wrote their opinions about the event. It can be recalled that Daniel's ex-girlfriend, Catherine Bernardo, also renewed her contract recently with the Kapamilya Network in a live stream ceremony filled with glitz and glamour. Previously, Star Magic dropped a teaser for what is deemed as a supreme happening. It featured Daniel Padilla and the date February 12 at 12:30 p.m. was noted. In the comments, many netizens congratulated DJ. Bagong feature, tingnan ang mga balitang para sa'yo, hanapin ang recommended for you, block at mag-enjoy. Source, kami.com.gh. Tags, Catherine Bernardo latest NEWSDANIEL Padilla latest NEWSKATHNIEL latest NEWSLATEST Entertainment NEWSLATEST Entertainment News PH Hot, PLDT Home DSL Change Password Cindy KURLETO recommended for you Andy Eigenman. Ibinida ang first formal event nilang dalawa ni Filmar Ali. A day ago Paolo Avellino shows recovery journey from shoulder injury 22 hours ago Heart Evangelista. Other celebs gush over video of Maha Salvador flaunting. 21 hours ago OG sa isyo ukol sa EB, sa kanyo kami sabihang fake news pag kinonfirm. 17 hours ago Megan Yam, sinagot ang Preggy comment ng isang netizen, busog lang. 19 hours ago check more articles for you, read more latest. Sharon Cuneta shares a quote card about being grateful for betrayal. 38 minutes ago Judy Ann Santos, may nakakaantig na post tungkol sa kasal ni Angelica Panganiban. An hour ago Diwata, na ikwentong ang ilang dating nakaalitan.